Hi. In this video, we will learn how to convert any website into mobile app within 3 minutes. Here is how to convert the web to the app, in the simplest way without any coding required. Click on the Create New Projects button. And then, type your project name. Next, in the Activities section, select on the website activity, and click the button to continue. Click on the Content menu in the left, then enter the website URL. For this example, I enter this travel website. Please make sure this URL is correct. Don't forget to click Save Change button. In the Style section, you can change the color of the toolbar. You can choose your own color. The next step, in the Startup section, please change the selection mode to the No Dashboard option. With this option, once the app is started, it will open the web directly without a menu or dashboard. Now we will remove the drawer menu by unchecking the Enable Navigation Drawer option. The next process, change this default icon to the one you have designed. You can refer to the tutorial on how to build your own icon using a free program. Don't forget to click Save Change button. Final process. Please click on the Build Your App button. Once you click this button, it will build your APK. This process will take between 2 to 5 minutes. Once this process is successful, you will receive an email. Congratulations! Your APK has been successfully built. Please download and install either on your Android phone or using the Android emulator.
Thanks for watching. Do not forget to click the subscribe button and hit the bell icon. Like, comment, and share. See you next time.